You've done an awesome job creating your first object-oriented application. Now you're ready to get cooking. If you do try a recipe, send me a message and let me know what you think. Besides recipes, almost anything can be an object. Look at the world around you and think about how you would classify things in terms of objects. Take these blocks. What are their properties? These would be the attributes that define what the objects are. They have a height, length, and width, and a color. They may also have an extra feature, such as a wheel or a window. Now, what are the methods? What actions do these blocks need to perform? At the most basic level, we assemble and disassemble them. Your turn. Look around you. What do you see? How can you define that as an object? The best way to make sure you understand the concepts you've learned is to start experimenting on your own. Besides classifying everything as an object, the teacher's notes include some suggestions for improving this cookbook application. Or come up with your own features and try implementing them. There's a lot more to object-oriented programming, and this course was designed to whet your appetite. Although some of the terminology can be overwhelming, trust me, with enough practice, I know you can handle it. I'm not going to leave you hanging, so check the teacher's notes for more resources.